Hey guys, we're here at the Farmhouse Restaurant enjoying our Saturday, enjoying lunch and everything before we head over here to America's Pastime. Hitting up the flea market, guys. We're gonna see what we can get out there. But yeah, like I said, we're just sitting down having a little lunch before heading out and everything. So here's
Yeah, you gotta check out this place. It's a farmhouse restaurant located in Valdosta, Georgia. They got the best food.
fried okra.
Meatloaf, mashed potatoes, coleslaw.
With the gizzards, or I should say gizzards with the fried okra, and pinto beans.
With cornbread.
Yeah, with cornbread, extra pot liquor on them beans. So what you do, you take these cornbread muffins, break that thing up into that, break it up into the pinto beans, and you got yourself a meal.
Don't know what you're missing.
Don't know what you're missing. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna dig into this, enjoy it, and then we're gonna take you guys on a walk around tour of the flea market here with us, see what we can pick up. All right, talk to you guys soon. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So, like I said, we're enjoying these good old gizzards, and I was just thinking, Texas Pete, Louisiana, a crystal. Which one in the comment section below? Just let us know which ones you guys recommend. I say Louisiana. That's how I saw it.
That's mine. Louisiana.
Louisiana.
All the way. Hands down.
If we don't have Louisiana, then crystals on a budget that'll do. But Texas Pete, I don't know.
On a budget.
Yeah, on the budget. Not a big fan of the Texas Pete or whatever.
They are cheap.
Yeah, it's not hot sauce. It's more of a medium type mild to me or whatever. But it gives it the flavor or whatever. And look at the texture of that gizzard. Just look at that thing. Look at that thing. When you get just enough hot sauce on there to tingle the taste buds.
I'm done. I'm so full I can't finish my dinner.
But
They get good helpings over here.
like I say, we're just down here in the morning, try to get some energy in us before walking around this flea market and seeing what they got. And it's good. It's good.
Maybe we can find a new puppy or that.
Whoa, or maybe not. Or maybe not.
Little baby.
No. Puppies or...
You won't let me get a puppy. We already have two.
We have 2 dogs.
English bulldogs.
That's too many right now. Too many. So we're definitely not in the business of looking for puppies.
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see if we come home with the puppy.
We'll see.
Take your time.
I'm not rushing. I ain't joking. We putting some bins right here. They ain't like mamas, but they'll do in a pinch. So comfort food wise, if y'all had to sit down and eat.
If you could only eat.
If you could only eat a meal, 1 entree, 2 sides, what would it be? I don't know what mine is. I got so many good foods out there. But I know for the sides, most definitely one of them's gonna be mac and cheese. And I ain't talking about this YouTube mac and cheese, this TikTok mac and cheese. I'm talking about the grandmama with the back wing arms or whatever. Yeah, if you ain't got that flag like that going, don't mess with mac and cheese now. Don't mess with my mac and cheese. None of that.
They put that in it.
Yeah, that's when they mixing it or whatever. That's where they get all that from that mixing. Yeah, if you ain't got it, then don't even come in there pretending to have it or whatever.
That's right.
But yeah, mac and cheese most definitely is gonna be one of my sides, and I have to think of the other one because, like I said, there's just so many of them out there. But let us know, guys, what you got. I'm thinking about as far as if y'all had one meal to eat, what would be your go-to meal? One main entree, 2 sides. Yeah, we're interested to
Put
see.
a comment down below. We're
in the comments.
interested.
Yeah.
And we'll take a poll and we'll let y'all know the result.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll do that. I ain't got nothing for the winners, man. We're in hard times right now.
We just starting out, but you know what? When we get up there, we're gonna be doing some giveaways.
Yeah,
That's for sure.
Yeah, I give y'all my Cash App handle, whatever. How about that? The winner gets my Cash App handle, and y'all can send me some. That's what we're gonna be giving away in the first couple of videos. But once we get more subscribers, we'll be sending stuff to you guys as well.
That's right. Maybe even some merch.
Mm-hmm.
We've been thinking about that too. But we want to get to 100 subscribers first. At least 100. So y'all help us out now. Please. Like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell.
Any money you make off of this, I get 50%.
50. So we're already in partnerships with members around here, but this is a nice little town, man. You got folks come up to you, they greet you, smile, wave, say hi, whatever. That's how it should be.
You know 50%. You know 50%.
Yeah.
Oh, we ain't even get money.
Hey, I didn't want to be the one to say it, but that's my inside voice right there.
I'm going to say it like it's said, like it's the truth.
I'm going to say it like it's said, like it's the truth.
We're just starting, but we're going to grow. We're going to grow this time. God willing.
Alright guys, we have pulled up here at the flea market and we're getting ready to enter here now, seeing what they got here. Sometimes you can find some really good deals. We got great produce over here. Wow, look at those muscadines. You got these good old Georgia peaches here. And some of the vendors are shut down today. They were saying a lot more come out on Sundays. A lot of the vendors are here on Sundays. We got our little weapons over here. Leave me alone. I guess a lot of kids are picking them up, playing around with them and everything. Like I was stating earlier, a lot of the vendors are not here today on Saturdays, which I was thinking that maybe that would be a better day with Sunday being, you know, church day and everything for everybody. But one of the vendors that was at the entrance when we walked in just told me that usually Sundays are the better days when everybody's here. You got all your phone accessories. You got iPhone, Samsung, whatever you want. We got it here. Yeah, we got our phone cases over here. I mean, you choose it, they got it. You have it, they got it. Let me see if they got the Obama phones, because you know that's what I got. Until we get a lot more of those subscriptions, then we'll upgrade. Yeah, baby. Hey, one of the vendors here. Hey, how you doing?
I don't see any.
That's good. to let. You guys are in need of an air compressor. They got air compressors. We got your dollies. We got all your lawn care taken care of. We got leaf blowers. We got jacks. We got chainsaws. Come down, get them all. Everything must go. Everything must go. Oh boy, and here, you know, in the South, we love our fishing. So if you're in need of a fishing rod for yourself, for the kiddos, for the grandkids, come down and pick them up. We got them for you. Oh, and these boots right here will walk all over you. Look at this. Florida. For all you Gator fans out there, hey, come get your pair. They're going fast. We got all your house needs taken care of. All your cleaning supplies, laundry detergents, softeners, disinfectants.
More stuff too.
Okay.
A lot more dishwasher soap and anything else too.
Okay. Hand sanitizers. Guys, COVID is not gone. Look at this. You're going to be COVID safe. You're going to be COVID safe. And your house is going to smell good while you're COVID safe. And those armpits are going to smell good with the deodorant while you're COVID safe and you're smelling good home. I'm telling you, the flea market, you cannot beat it. Prices to match. Prices to match, guys. Got our TVs here. Hey, how you doing? We got the air fryers. Look at the size of that cock over there. Oh my goodness. Cock-a-doodle-doo. And no flea market would be complete without your food court. Guys, I'm talking about they have everything here. You got your pork rinds here, different flavors, chili cheese, honey barbecue. Yeah, any flavor you can think of, they have them out here. And who doesn't love a funnel cake? They are, look at that thing. Oh my God, better than a carnival, better than a fair.
Oh yes, we have the best funnel cakes in town.
You heard it here first, guys. Best funnel cake. Not second best, but the best.
Yes.
Little pick-me-up energy drinks? Of course, Starbucks is out here too. Gotta get that Sprout. Monster Energy, keep you going.
I just wanted to let y'all know we're ending the vlog for the day. Our little excursion to the flea market and out to lunch to a little farmhouse restaurant. Everything was good. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell. And grow our channel for us. We would appreciate it. We have a lot of content coming toward you guys. Like I said, you know, family life and fertility, and just everyday battles and journeys and good times. But I didn't get my puppy. There were no puppies at the flea market. I was hoping I would get one, but I guess he won that debate for the day. But yeah, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you soon.